Welcome to the training video for the video production of your animated video. The objective at this point is that you will use a video editing software called Premiere Pro, which is a new program for us. So great, doing this project and trying to learn a new program, okay, with the help of this training video. And you're going to look for a purple PR. This guy right here, purple PR. And you're going to import your audio files and your animated movies and copyright-free music into this program so that you could build your story, your epigenetic story, on a timeline in this program, Premiere Pro, and then export it as a video file. All right, so you don't have this on your quick start bar yet. So we need to do that. So let's go to the Launchpad and let's go ahead and find Adobe Premiere Creative Cloud 2017 Premiere Pro PR, this one. Make sure it's the 2017 CC 2017 one, not the older one, okay? So this one. And you want to click, hold, and drag that guy down, right, into this spot. I just had to put mine back. I already have it there. And then you want to go ahead and start it. And the first time, it's going to take a little bit of time to load. And while this thing is loading, you should have already created a folder in your documents called epi-genetics. And you should have copied all of your audio files, all the recordings that you made with Mr. Dietz. You need to get those all into that EpigenFL folder. So if I go here to Finder, you should have in your Documents folder a folder called epigenetics. No, it's going to be, EpigenFL. Okay, EpigenFL. That's what you're looking to have. And inside that folder, you're going to have your animation files, okay, all the EpigenFLs that you made, .movs that you made, okay, and you're going to have your audio files. They could mostly look like this, okay, the ones that you recorded. So that's what you're putting in this EpigenFL. Okay, so looks like Premiere Pro is ready for us. So we're going to click here to New Project, and remember, you can pause, rewind, and fast forward to this training video as you need. So I'm going to go at regular speed. I'm just going to talk right into this recording here. So new project, and I'm going to title this EpigenFL, okay, and I'm going to browse to that Documents EpigenFL folder, okay. I'm going to drag or copy to that. So let's put that in EpigenFL. Okay, so I'm going to go to that folder, Documents, EpigenFL folder, and I'm going to click Choose. All right, now I'm ready to click OK. So this is the workspace of Premiere Pro. And to get started, we need a timeline. We need a sequence here to get started. Each timeline, which we call sequences, become exported videos. So this is where your final video project will be built into. But we got to get, we have nothing here. It's empty right now. So let's go get one. Let's add one. So we're going to go to File, New, Sequence. File, New, Sequence, or Command N for new. And let me just back this up a little bit. The video format that you want to use, the one that's closest to our video projects or animated product projects, will be this one, ARRI. So we're going to open that guy up by clicking on this greater than sign. Then we're going to go to the 1080 folder, open that up. And then we're going to select this ARRI 1080p 2997. So that's 2997 or 30 frames per second, okay? And we're going to go down here and select or call this EpigenFL. okay, for the sequence name. Always give your sequences names, always give your projects names, okay? So our sequence name, and this is going to be easy for you because now when you export your video, there it is. You already got it named, okay? Click OK. And this is our timeline right here. Alrighty. And it looks like we've got about 8 minutes of video. That's a lot of time. Our video is going to be small. It's just going to be right in here. So I'm going to show you later how to zoom into this timeline so we can see our video. All right. This is where we now begin to import our videos, import all of our resources that we need. So I'm going to come up here to File, Import, and I'm going to go to my EpiGen folder, and I'm going to go get, in this order, or it doesn't matter what order you go in, but we want to, hang on, let me get to my other EpiGen folder. We want to go and get all of our MOV files, EpigenFL 1, FL2, FL3, all those Adobe Animate files that you created and exported, all those MOV files, get all those, and you can kind of select a range. If you have it looking more like this, then what you can do is just hold the command key down and just click on the videos or all the items that you want to import. Okay, and we want to get all of our audio files as well. Okay, we've got to get all of our audio files. Anthony's audio files look a little different. That's okay. You're going to have your audio files that you put in, and we're going to go and click import. Okay, so you can see right here I've got all the imported items that I need so far. I got more stuff to go get though. So I'm going to go File, Import once again, and I need to get my 4D camera FL. 4D camera FLs. So where's that at? Let's see, let's go Documents, and then yours should be in here, 4D camera FL. Right? Oh, sorry, not downloads. I want Documents. Yeah, I've got mine somewhere else, so I'm going to go get it here. So bear with me. You're going to just look for your 4D camera FL. You know, this one, 4D camera FL.mp4. Should be in your Documents folder, okay? So let's go get that and import that. And let's go File, Import, and let's go get your what was that? The AN logo FL, AN logo FL dot MOV. If you have an MOV file already, get the MOV, but you could also get the .gif, the AN logo FL.gif or .mov, either one. Click import. Okay. And now I think we got all the pieces that we need to do this. So, first thing I want to do is put your AN logo into the timeline. So I'm going to double click on the resource I want to look at, double click on it, and I'm going to see up here I can preview it. Okay, so I could take a look. I could put the scrubber, I can move the scrubber with my mouse, or I can hit play. Right, this looks to be 6 seconds long. Okay, 6 seconds long is this animation. And anyway, when I'm ready to go with it, I'm just going to click right here where it says drag video only. Right down here, I'm going to click, hold, and drag that down to video 1, which is one of the layers in my timeline, one of my video layers in my timeline. I'm going to go up here and click keep existing settings. And anytime you see this, clip mismatch warning, you click here, keep existing settings. Okay. And I could see that my video clips is slivered. We know this is 6 seconds, and 6 seconds does not show very wide on this timeline because it goes out to 8 minutes. So let's zoom in on our timeline so we can actually see our video clips a little bit better so we can work with them. Because this is definitely a very visual program. You do a lot of clicking and dragging, and you do a lot of stuff on the clips itself, on these video clips. So I'm going to come down here, and I'm going to click hold. I'm going to drag to the left, and you could see that now I'm at about 2 minutes. I zoomed into about a 2-minute range. Maybe I'll come out a little bit, moving it to the right a little bit, and take it out to about 3 minutes or so. Okay, I don't think our videos will be much anywhere near this long. They'll probably be in the 1 to 2 minute range. But this gives us, we can actually click on this guy and move it around. Okay, so that's what we want to be able to do, is be able to click on these things. Okay, so move that all the way over to the left edge of the timeline on video 1, on V1. All right, and now this screen here is a preview of our video. It shows you what your timeline has on it, and the timeline are going to have all the pieces in the right order, exactly where they need to be to create your movie. You're building it like building blocks here, okay, with video clips and audio clips and special effects and all the stuff you need. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just play this, see what it looks like. And of course, it does look a little bit smaller on this screen than it did over here. That's okay, because it's a small GIF file. So what we could do is right click over it, right click over the clip, and scroll down to where it says scale to frame size, and that will zoom it in for us. See what I did? Do it again, just right over, right, put that mouse right in the dead center of that clip, right click, and then find scale to frame size. It's an on-off switch, so I just did it again, so I turned it off. So I'm going to check it back. Scale to frame size. Okay, now it's going to play full size. It's possible things look pixelated when you do this, but these graphics won't look bad, so it's okay. And I'm going to go and get the 4D camera FL. I'm going to grab that guy, double click on it. This is the multi-plane camera animation that you created at the end of the semester. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go right up here to the video icon, click, hold, and drag that. And I'm going to place it right next, snap it right next to our AN logo. So now I got the logo, and I've got it. Now that one doesn't need to be rescaled, because that one is 1920 by 1080, which is what our frame size is. So you won't have to rescale this one. All right, so now this is, look, we got 2 pieces. Our video is 15 seconds long, and it's things that we've done in the past. One we're using to identify ourselves, and the other to identify an introduction to what this project is, like a title of the project. And it looks really kind of cool. All right, so we're going to stop right here for part 2 of our training. Part 1 really of the Premiere Pro stuff. So what you want to do is you want to just come up here and do File, Save As, and in your EpiGen folder, right, should already have the name EpigenFL, Save As. If it doesn't, put that in, click Save, click Replace if you have to. You could also do a Command S to save the project, and that's it, you're done. You can go ahead and exit out of Premiere Pro. Quit Premiere Pro. All right, and now look for the next training video to continue with this project. It'll be the EpigenFL Part 3 will be the next training video.